Karen Burhow just turned 65 years old, and some would say that 65 is a landmark of wisdom. But for Karen Burhow, she says she'll remember this year's birthday as the year she defeated COVID-19. She says she's doing so well now that she's actually returned back to work.
I hate to use the word mild because I was very uncomfortable for several days there.
Karen Burhow says she's surprised that she tested positive for COVID-19 because the only symptoms she noticed was a mild cough towards the end of March.
I've had flus before that I thought, oh my God, am I going to survive this? Because I would just be so incredibly sick. And I never felt that way with this.
But with a 70-year-old husband who has a compromised immune system and an 87-year-old mother who she regularly interacts with, Burhow took precaution and stayed away from them.
The only thing I ever felt was I've got to not give this to my husband and mother because it could kill them.
Burhow says she has now recovered from COVID-19 and returned to work on Sunday at a Circle K store off of Interstate 5 in Kern County. At first, her employer asked her to provide evidence of a negative test, which is one of the methods to determine whether an individual can discontinue home isolation according to CDC guidelines. But when Burhow reached out to Kern County Public Health,
they told me that none of the testing places are doing negative tests, that there aren't enough tests to go around for people who need it.
Burhow shared that information to her employer, who she says then considered another method listed on the CDC website, which shows that a person may stop home isolation after displaying no symptoms for over 72 hours without assistance of medication, and that at least 7 days have passed since symptoms first appeared.
They basically came back to me and gave me a date that I could come back to work. And they were actually very nice. They specifically told me, but only if you're feeling like it. And
Burhow said what she'll remember most through these trying times is the support she got from the community. Individuals dropping off food at her door, people even coming to her lawn to cut her weeds. She also mentioned that health officials want to get her blood tested for antibodies. If those antibodies are present, Burhow says she wants to donate her plasma to help the community battle COVID-19. For now, reporting for 23 ABC, Bayan Wang, connecting you.